Dylan, Justin, Kara, Landon, Lindsay, Trayton.
Kara's doing the countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Landon, when she says 3, 2, 1, usually you go. The skip-a-rooney shot.
That is like so awesome. Just go to that sprinkle over there. Oh. That's a fountain. I know.
Okay, this shot just hit it more perfect and more straight and more far. Good luck. What the? No! Jason.
Remember Lindsay? Justin against Lindsay. Lindsay didn't have her pack, but she had to. She said there was a picture.
Justin. Who said? I wouldn't have said that.
It is.
There's no proof. Dude.
Kara has it on video.
Delay of game, man. 5-yard penalty, Johan Schmidt. Hey, get this. I grew a beard, I shaved it, and I grew another one, yo.
I know I grew a mustache. Yeah, he has a mustache. See, now I actually have a mustache.
That's disgusting. You're too little to have a mustache.
Not Trayton.
That means you're gonna have body odor, too.
Not Trayton, because Trayton takes just a long time.
2014, yo.
2025. 2099.
You know what's gonna be sad? It's gonna be 1 year, you guys are gonna be too old to go to camp.
Oh yeah, because I have a mustache now.
You're gonna age out, just like Miley and Sabrina. When's age out, Kara? 14?
Yeah. 8th grade, or high school.
High school?
Yeah.
Hey, dude, any more left. There you go, in your Super Bowl, more left. More left. Know your body, Johan Schmidt. There you go. Go. Holy popcorn. You know what's bad, right? He just made a Super Bowl bigger.
He just took so long to hit that.
You ran out of tape, huh?
Yes. It was 2 minutes. Oh, very funny. No, it's titanium. 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115,
No, that's a song.
Titanium. No,
Shoot me down on the clouds.
He-Man.
I am titanium. Is that how it sounds?
Titanium.
Mingo. He is the best coach. He helps you learn a lot. He could teach you anything if you have him as your coach. If you have him as your coach. Shows you lots of bridges and talks a lot about UFOs. He has a lot of funny stories and does a lot of cash contests. Ooh, oh, he jokes around all day and is full of fun, Ooh, oh, he'll teach you how to drive and chip and putt.
Thank you, man.
He is the best coach. He helps you learn a lot. He could teach you anything if you have him as your coach. If you have